Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take the first actionable steps. You must log in with your Bravo Atomfall role and complete 2FA. This grants token access. Once authenticated, export the API key into your shell session and point your client to the documented endpoint URL. Make sure the TLS certificate chain is trusted and any corporate proxy is configured. This prevents connection refusals. Now that credentials and network paths are set, proceed to open the data store using the client. With credentials present, perform authentication and then open the store. You exchange the API key for a session token using post/auth and include required headers. This token scopes your operations. Once you have the token, call post/stores/store ID/open with the JSON payload that specifies mode and concurrency. This triggers lock negotiation. If the API returns 202, poll status until 200. Make sure to capture headers for rate limits and to persist the token for subsequent calls to avoid youth interruptions. You finish by verifying the store is truly open and by saving the necessary connection metadata. Query get/stores/store ID/status and ensure it returns open. Once done, persist the token TTL and a refresh plan and record rollback steps in case of failures. If you hit errors, inspect API logs and HTTP bodies. Clear stale locks only if you understand consequences. If a lock conflict persists, restart your session and retry after 30 seconds. This resolves transient race.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.